So here we go. I'm going to go through quickly my top 10 plugins. First one is the Add This Social Bookmarking widget. And that's a great plugin. Here's the settings for it here. And you put in your Add This username, and it shows some advanced stuff that you can choose as well. And then you can see that it's added a share button. And if I hover over the share button, people can actually add that post, share your post through Facebook, Twitter, Stumble, Dig, email, Google, any of those types of services. So you can really get a lot of social media love by adding a plugin like that. It makes it easy for people to share your post. And you definitely want to make it easy for people sharing your posts. So again, that is the Add This plugin. Next is the All-in-One SEO Pack. This is a great plugin, and it's got options right here. And it allows you to optimize your site so it shows up better in Google. And you want to enable the plugin. That's what you want to do first, right there. And then choose the home title and description. And you can, most of these things you don't have to mess with, but you can take a look and add a few things and then click on Update Options. And that all-in-one SEO will help your blog to get viewed and noticed in Google much better than if you did not have it. So that's the all-in-one SEO. Next up is anti-spam for all fields. I talked earlier about preventing comment spam. And that is one way to do it, by installing the anti-spam plugin. And that actually shows up here under plugins. So if we click on that, it talks about limits, notification. It's got automatic spam words already set up, and you can add to that or change it and things like that. But just simply installing and activating that anti-spam blog will greatly reduce the spam comments that you get. The Contact Form 7 is a great plugin. I'll come back to that. I'll do that last. Facebook like button for Facebook. There's settings for that as well down here. Although I don't think we need to change anything. We can change this color scheme if we want to. We could change the layout, things like that. But nothing we really have to change. And what that does, it automatically puts a recommend or like button on every post of yours. So it makes it easy for people to, again, recommend or like your post to their Facebook friends. So that's another great plugin. And there's a lot of different great Facebook like button plugins you can get. Same thing with Twitter. Google Analytics for WordPress. And I don't have time to cover that, but the settings are down here in the settings area. And if you're serious about tracking your blog and what people are reading and how they're using your blog, then you definitely want to install the Google Analytics. There's just not enough time to teach that in this course, but definitely check it out. It's a plugin you definitely want to install. Google XML Sitemaps, another great plugin. If you have a sitemap for your blog, it'll, again, just like the all-in-one SEO pack, it'll help your blog get noticed in the search engines. And under settings, there's an XML sitemap area, and it's got a bunch of different options, and you'll need to enable this. But again, it'll help get you found in Google much better than if you didn't have it. And that's the Google XML sitemaps. Viper's Video Quick Tags. That's it's one of my favorite plugins. And there's settings for that one. If we click on the settings, you can actually choose which buttons show up. So it's got YouTube, Google Video, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Vidler, Blip. It could do QuickTime, Flash Video. This is going to allow you to add other video to your blog and then save changes. So I'll show you how that one works. So if you go to do a new post, and I'm just going to call this one video, I want you to notice there's actually more buttons now in this area. And what do you know it? Here's a YouTube button. Here's a Google button. Here's a Vimeo button. There's Blip TV. There's QuickTime button. Now, if we want to add a YouTube video, instead of pasting in the code, we could just simply click on this little YouTube embed, and then we just enter in the URL of the YouTube video from YouTube itself. That's it. That's all there is to it. So let's do that right now.